Cove House, a masterpiece crafted by Justin Humphrey Architect, is a captivating exploration of boundaries and transitions. The house, nestled adjacent to an easement, presents a unique opportunity to engage with the surrounding neighborhood on three sides. Traditional responses to such constraints often involve building rigidly to the boundary, a convention that the architects sought to challenge. Instead, Cove House celebrates this edge with a grand, tactile gesture. A finely detailed, tapered roofline gracefully hovers over the concrete easement wall, simultaneously softening the robust material and reducing the visual scale of the building. This intentional design choice allows the house to seamlessly integrate into its domestic context. The client's desire for a materially rich and tactile home, inspired by subtropical architecture, is evident throughout the design. The journey begins in the external garden room, a transitional space between the public street and the private realm. A fine battened timber screen subtly suggests enclosure, while the open sky, water views, and lush tropical landscaping invite engagement and connection. This carefully curated space blurs the lines between inside and outside, creating a sense of fluidity and openness. The internal layout of the house is equally thoughtful, with a series of mature gardens weaving through the spaces, further reinforcing the interplay between interior and exterior. The ground plane is artfully manipulated, rising and falling to accommodate both intimate daily living and large social gatherings. A single, floating roof plane unifies the various spaces, its strength and simplicity a testament to the close collaboration between the architects and structural engineers. Cove House is more than just a dwelling. It is a testament to the power of design to elevate the everyday. By challenging conventional approaches and embracing the unique qualities of the site, the architects have created a truly exceptional home that celebrates the beauty of the subtropical landscape. In this video, we've explored the stunning Cove House, designed by Justin Humphrey Architect. This architectural masterpiece is a testament to the power of design to elevate the everyday. If you're inspired, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos on architecture, design, and home decor. Thank you for watching.